So here's an afternoon of batch cooking. Now, it doesn't need to be difficult. I just kind of put it in between my day in regards of house cleaning, sitting and doing emails. So it doesn't take all day. You just have to be mindful with a timer. Got my keto buns and then a nice quiche. So that all of that should be good for about 4 days. And I'll probably eat it in two though. And then I've got some garbanzo beans that I marinated with a little bit of apple cider vinegar, olive oil, salt, and some Italian seasonings. And I always put hemp seeds and a little bit of sunflower seeds just to pull up the protein a little bit more. I've got these lovely lentil burgers, fabulous, and then also some roasted veggies. So I've got Brussels sprouts and broccoli and butternut squash and cauliflower, and of course all out of my keto recipe book that you can download by just clicking the link below.